Okay, this is the new colour SBC420. Not a lot of people like the red. Most of them out there on the market are red, so I've had some done in the blue. Good cabinet, foot operated. It's a suction cabinet, not pressure. We do sell the pressure cabinets. It comes to you in a box like that. I've just built this one up. 2 doors on the sides, and then you've got this one on the front which lifts up. Lift that up there, so you can see that there. So you've got the top loading door, one there on the side, and you've got this one here. Comes with the gun and gloves fitted. Some spare nozzles, screen protectors, protecting the glass. All the lights, good lights in it. Let me turn it on, close it. Close this down. This turns the extractor on, which is fitted at the back, built-in dust extractor. Close that there. There it is. That's the back of the cabinet. It's a great cabinet for restoration work, but if you plan on using it for wheels, powder coated wheels, then obviously they'll have to be dipped first, because with it being a suction cabinet, you'll be there forever. Unless you buy one of my pressure cabinets. Obviously the price goes up, but the amount of labour spent on a job goes down. Right, turn this on. Here we go. That's it. The new SBC420. Oh, they've added a new electrical thing here, so I don't think it works, because this is connected up down here somewhere. Look, electrical. If the doors are open, I think that shuts it off or something this year. I haven't got a compressor here handy to test it, so I don't know. There you go. The new SBC420 in blue. Thanks for watching.